Meet Arjun Patel, a production manager whose day begins before sunrise and ends long after the machines stop. Some days, everything runs smooth. Other days, pressure spikes, short shots, rejected batches. And once again, the question, what went wrong this time? Every plastics processor knows this story. Unpredictable processes. Rising costs. Sleepless nights. But what if your machine could think, learn, and predict? This November, at the Hands-On Masterclass on AI and Machine Learning in Injection Molding by Polymerupdate Academy and FANUC India, discover how. Experience how AI selects the right material, how scientific molding replaces guesswork, and how FANUC's ROBOSHOT corrects defects before they appear. 3 stations. Real machines, real data, real transformation. For Arjun, and for every processor ready to lead the future, the journey to zero-defect manufacturing starts here. Join the revolution, November 12 to 13, 2025, at the FANUC India Technology Development Center, Bengaluru. Register now.